So by default in SketchUp, you don't really have an option to go ahead and then round off the corners. But here you can see that round corner is an option because I actually installed this plugin with the help of Extension Warehouse. So by using this plugin, you can actually go around over here and select out the edge. Let's say, for example, just like this. Let me just go ahead and select this one and click on round corner right here. So once you do that, you can actually see the offset value. So you can see that this is 3 inch right here. Let's just make it 3 feet. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this, by adding it this. And then you can see that this is selected. So if I were to click on generate geometry, you can see that it rounds it off, but it rounded it off in the wrong corner. So let me just go around over here and then remove the offset value, press OK, so that it actually focuses on this area. So now if I were to click on generate geometry, you can see that it rounds it off. Similarly, I can do the same right here from this side as well. So I can go around over here. Offset is set to 3, as you can see, or you can set it to 2 as you want, press OK, and generate geometry to go ahead and round it off. So this is what the round corner extension can do. And to access it, you can simply go on to the extension warehouse right here, just like this. And then once this actually loads up, you can go around and type in round corner right here, just like this, and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that you get the round corner, as you can see right here. And then what happens is that you'll get the website, the extension site right here, which you need to go ahead and visit, create an account, and download the file and install it out onto SketchUp right here. And this plugin is free to use as well. So you can see that you can add in details to your SketchUp models just like this with a click and round it off right there. And that is how you can utilize the round corner extension inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.